In this next online grammar presentation for Unit 21, Connectors, you will learn how to use correlative conjunctions and conjunctive adverbs, or transition words, to combine simple sentences and form compound sentences. Please watch the presentation and complete the presentation review before class on Monday, April 14th. If you don't have a completed review sheet, I will ask you to leave class during our grammar practice to complete the assignment. In the last grammar presentation, we discussed how to use fanboys to combine simple sentences, as in the first example. The boys didn't do their homework, comma, and they failed the test. You can also use correlative or paired conjunctions to combine simple sentences. See the second example. Neither did the boys do their homework, comma, nor did they pass the test. Neither nor, or the most common paired conjunctions are neither nor, either or, and not only but also. Notice in the example that neither starts the sentence and nor connects the sentences with a comma. When we use negative words like neither, nor, and not only to start a simple sentence, we have to use question order. In this case, helping verb, subject, main verb. For example, neither starts the sentence, so the next simple sentence has to be in question order. So we use did as our helping verb, the boys is our subject, and do their homework is the main verb phrase. Same thing with nor. Nor is a negative conjunction starting the simple sentence. So we say nor did, another helping verb, they, subject, pass, and that is the main verb phrase. Here are some examples of compound sentences using correlative or paired conjunctions. In the examples, we see that there are two special rules for using paired conjunctions to combine simple sentences. For neither nor and not only, we must use question order, meaning that the helping verb, subject, main verb phrase is the order of the simple sentence, not regular sentence order, subject, verb. The second rule is if the conjunction word is negative, we don't use a negative phrase in the verb because we can't have double negatives in English. So I wouldn't say, neither wasn't it raining hard. I would say, neither was it raining hard. Neither starts the sentence. Was is our helping verb. It is our subject. Raining is our main verb. Notice that when we use positive paired conjunctions like either, or, and but also, we don't change to question order. We just use regular sentence order, subject, verb, object. Take a minute to pause the video and read through the examples carefully. Here is some practice with using question order after negative words. Pause the video and write the simple or compound sentence using question order if the conjunction is negative. Pay attention to comma use. How did you do? Here are the answers. We couldn't find an empty seat turns into nowhere could we find an empty seat. And couldn't is negative, so we need to make it positive if we're going to use it with a negative word. And could, helping verb, we, subject, find, main verb. John won't study for his test. He won't do his chores. Neither will John study for his test, nor will he do his chores. Is that what you got? He won. He set a new record. Not only did he win, but also he set a new record. If it's a compound sentence, please don't forget the comma. Now let's talk about the third kind of compound sentence using transition words, or what we call conjunctive adverbs. You can remember either one of those. You can also use a variety of transition words or conjunctive adverbs to combine simple sentences. Notice that the punctuation is different in this new example. The boys didn't do their homework, semicolon, consequently, comma, they failed the test. We use semicolons and commas with conjunctive adverbs when they combine simple sentences. We don't use question order like paired conjunctions. Now let's talk about conjunctive adverbs as transitions. We use conjunctive adverbs also to add variety and create stronger relationships between our sentences. They are very flexible, so they can be used in different ways, either to form compound sentences or transition between simple sentences. Here are some common patterns. 1. Rice is popular in Asia, semicolon, however, comma, bread is popular in Europe. We're using the conjunctive adverb to form a compound sentence between a semicolon and a comma. 2. Introductory phrases. Rice is popular in Asia, period. However, comma, bread is popular in Europe. We can use the conjunctive adverb as an introductory phrase, but we need to use a comma to separate it from the main sentence. Notice that the two sentences are not combined. 3. Concluding phrases. Rice is popular in Asia, period. Bread is popular in Europe, comma, however, period. We can use a conjunctive adverb as a concluding phrase, also separated from the main sentence with a comma. And notice again, the sentences are not combined. Finally, we can use the conjunctive adverb between two commas as an interjection in a simple sentence. An interjection is a word or phrase that interrupts the main sentence, so it needs to be offset by commas. In this example, the two sentences are simple and separate, but the ideas are connected with the conjunctive adverb as a transition word. Rice is popular in Asia, period. Bread, comma, however, comma, is popular in Europe. Pause the video to read through the chart. Notice that the conjunctive adverbs are organized by their meaning. All of these conjunctive adverbs are quite common, and you should learn them. Once you're finished with this chart, restart the video and review the next chart. Pause the video to review the chart again. After you've finished reviewing both charts, complete the video review for April 14th. This concludes the short online presentation. Please bring the video review sheet to class on April 14th. Thank you.